Hello and welcome you all. Students, today in this video, we'll do questions which are based on exercise 3.1 of our chapter 3, trigonometric functions. Students, our first question for today is, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turns in 1 second? Since we know that 1 revolution is equals to 2 pi radian, or 1 revolution is equals to 360 degree. So student, according to our question, it is given that in 1 minute, the wheel makes 360 revolution. Therefore, 1 minute is equals to 360 revolutions. So student, we know that in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. Therefore, we can also write this as 60 second is equals to 360 revolution. So from here, by unitary method, 1 second is equals to 360 upon 60, which is equals to 6 revolution. So in 1 second, the wheel makes 6 revolution. So according to our question, as it says, through how many radians does it turns in 1 second? So now student, we will convert 6 revolution into radian. So as we know that 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. Therefore, in 1 second, the wheel makes 6 into 2 pi radians, which is equals to 12 pi radian. And now our second question for today is, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. So according to our question, first we will write the given condition. See, here the diameter of the circle is 40 centimeter. So the radius will be equals to half of diameter, which is equals to 20 centimeter. And now length of the chord is also given, which is equals to 20 centimeter. So student, as you can see on your screen that I have drawn a circle in which I have taken a chord AB, which is equals to 20 centimeter. Here in the circle, we have a center O. So OA and OB, they are radius of a circle. And as we know that radius of a circle is equals to 20 centimeter. So student, from here, you can clearly see that in triangle AOB, all the sides are equal. That is OA is equals to AB is equals to OB. They all are 20 centimeter each. So from here, we can say that triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle because all sides are equal. We know that in equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. Therefore, angle AOB will be equals to 60 degree. And in radian, we can write theta is equals to pi by 3. And now, since we have to find the length of minor arc, and we know the relation between theta L and R, that is theta is equals to L upon R. So from here, we will put theta, which is equals to pi upon 3, and this is equals to L upon R, which is equal to 20. So from here, student, L is equals to 20 pi upon 3 centimeter. And now practice this 4 questions mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. And now our third question for today is, the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does a tip moves in 40 minutes? Here use pi is equals to 3.14. So student, according to our question, since the minute hand of the watch is 1.5 centimeter, so as you can see on your screen that I have drawn a circle in which the minute hand is 1.5 centimeter. So according to our question, the minute hand in 60 minutes complete 1 revolution. So from here we can write that 60 minutes is equals to 1 revolution. Therefore by unitary method, 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 revolution. So according to our question, student, in 40 minutes, we have 40 upon 60 revolution, which is equals to 2 upon 3 revolution. And now from here, we have to find the value of theta, which is always comes in radian. So we know that 1 revolution is equals to 2 pi radian. So here we have theta, which is equals to 2 upon 3 into 1 revolution, which is 2 pi. So from here, student, we get theta, which is equals to 4 pi upon 3 radian. And now, since we have to find the length of a tip, which moves in 40 minutes. So L is equals to R theta. Therefore, student, on substituting R, which is 1.5 into 4 pi upon 3. So on solving it, we get L is equals to 2 pi centimeter. And now, as per question, we will use pi is equals to 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 is 6.28 centimeter. Therefore, student, the length will be equals to 6.28 centimeter. And now our fourth question for today is, express minus 32 degree 30 minute as a radian measure. So from here, we know the relation between degree and minute. Since 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, or from here, I can write this as 60 minutes is equals to 1 degree. Therefore, student, by unitary method, 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 degree. And now, according to our question, we have minus 32 degree and 30 minutes. So I can write this as minus and in bracket 32 degree plus 30 minute. Since 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 degree, therefore 30 minute is equals to 30 upon 60 degree, which is 1 by 2. So student, from here, on taking the LCM, we get minus 65 upon 2 degree. And now, since we have to convert in radian, therefore we will multiply minus 65 upon 2 degree by pi upon 180. So from here, on solving it, we get minus 13 pi upon 72 radian. And now, practice this below question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video, students. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.